Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Like a Chef. My channel is about helping you reconnect with the joy and fun of cooking. One quick note, I haven't uploaded in the last 2 weeks because I got hit with a nasty virus and I've been out of commission. But I'm back and I really wanted to share this recipe with you because if you've ever wanted to do fried chicken without the fuss, without the mess, this recipe is for you. It produces an amazing crunchy skin, tender, juicy chicken. And I also show you how to create a smoky barbecue flavor without the barbecue. Now, if that sounds good, then let's get started.